Out here at Ōnuku we've got the whitebait. It's just starting to run. I think the kids may have seen 2 or 3 whitebait for 2 days, which was pretty cool because we just want to get them used to the water, used to be in there, used to driving the whitebait into the nets. Once they've got that, then we may have a feed at the marae.
Ko ngā tau te iwi, ko takitimi te waka, ko rakuri te awa, ko maukatere te maunga, ko iso toku ingoa. We're trying to get some whitebait to eat and cook at the marae.
Who's the best whitebait catcher here?
Who's the best whitebait catcher?
I don't know.
Oh, probably me.
Yep, definitely you.
Yeah, Mahinga clothes all about getting suki. Yeah, hawa, whitebait, fish.
100? Maybe not quite there. 90? I don't know. Don't push me.
My boys are 9-year-olds, so they're learning every minute of the day. Having the boys involved is making them be aware of how important their marae is.
There's things the old people used to do, dragging for flounders out here at Ōnuku. That's been passed down to us. Deep sea trawling, crayfish, setting cray pots and going to the groper grounds. The Hokianga family, their patch was called Hokianga Patch. They've had their own groper hole and we hope to go back and find those and teach our kids. Even though we don't use our harbour to the extent of making money from it, I hope one day we can for our kids, whether it's in mussel paua, kina, oysters, because they all grow here, you know. If we could tap into that, I think we would have employment for our kids.
We saw the Wānanga advertised. We didn't manage to make it to the first one that they had, so we came to the second one. Didn't actually know what we would be doing. I just told the girls on the way that we might be net making, or they had waka building on there, or there might be fishing stuff, or there was a whole lot of things. So I just said to them, it could be any one of these things when we turn up. But whatever it is, you need to make sure that you focus and learn and take it in.
I usually like to sew. It did help. You're basically sewing a net. It isn't like you're gonna poke yourself and jab yourself though.
Making a net up for you around the net so you can go fishing on the next program we do out here. So you've got to watch what he's doing. He's putting in the lead line, which is the bottom line that goes along the bottom of the sea.
Bottom line, it's a matter of just threading.
First I did the bottom line, that you just had to thread it and actually get it, and there's like lead inside it to help it sink.
So yeah, came out here this weekend to share the knowledge on making some nets, try and get some of the kids into it, and Melina was a real natural.
She was shown how to make a net by Rick Dawson. He spent maybe 10 minutes on that net, then by the afternoon she'd picked up the skills and finished that net in one day. It takes me about 3 to 4 days to do one of those. She done it in a day.
It took, was it 8 hours?
No, it was over 5 hours. I think it was 5.5 hours.
It's been nice to come here and learn new things, to see what our people have done in the past.